In this video, I'm going to show you how to use snippets in Hubspot to save time when sending emails, writing notes, or replying to chats. Snippets are short, reusable messages that help you respond faster and stay consistent. First, log into your Hubspot account. At the top, click the search bar and type Snippets. If your account has snippets, you'll see the option appear. Click on it. Now, click Create Snippet. Give it a name and a shortcut, for example, /thanks for a quick thank you message. Type the text you want to reuse in the content box and click Save. To use it, go to your inbox, a CRM note, or a chat. Type the shortcut you created, like /thanks, and select your snippet. Hubspot will instantly insert the text for you. If you don't see snippets in your account, it probably means your plan doesn't include this feature. No worries, you can still save time by using email templates or keeping your common messages in a Google Doc to copy and paste. That's it. Now you know how to create and use snippets or alternatives in Hubspot to speed up your work. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more Hubspot tutorials. See you in the next video.